This is an adjustable wall-mounted clothesline designed to maximize drying space while minimizing the space it occupies when not in use. The foldable arms deploy in seconds, providing multiple drying lines and fold neatly against the wall after use to keep the area uncluttered. To make the design acceptable to different homes and outdoor spaces, the mounting system could also incorporate telescopic horizontal rails. The rails would allow both support brackets to slide, enabling the overall drying width to be adjusted according to the available wall space. A series of indexing holes and locking pins could securely hold the brackets at the user's preferred position, providing both adjustability and structural stability. Once the desired width is selected, the clothesline operates just like a conventional wall-mounted drying system, offering a simple, space-efficient solution for everyday use. This concept demonstrates how a single product can be engineered to accommodate a wider range of installation environments without sacrificing functionality. This is a conceptual engineering design developed to explore practical solutions for everyday problems. Feedback and design suggestions are always welcome.